Jumping over obstacles, still cool. Never losing character, still cool. Wait, let me check my temperature, still cool. You feel us, but we don't feel you. Can't you see I'm working? Leave a message. I don't know what you be expecting. Y'all been sleeping on this for a minute. Now that you up, you probably wanna be in it. Way too fly to fall, I just float. Too far ahead to lose, I just coast. You want a slice, I'm going to get a loaf. And every time we make bread, homie, we got a toast.
So this is the intro to the video where Megan builds a 500 horsepower Hayabusa engine. Everyone needed to be familiar again with jfrench, because anytime you watch a video and you hear background music, this is the artist. That's me. The rapper, the composer, the arranger, the creator. He's choosing the background music for the time-lapse video of the video that she's putting together. He's choosing this.
I get to choose it. I get to choose it.
jfrench recently had an album released called
Church the Mixtape. And before that, All Love. And before that, Good Karma. They're all one and the same.
So, if you've watched any of our videos, you're definitely familiar with him, but now you see the handsome face.
Thank you, sir.
And you're definitely familiar with the individual who's normally editing these videos. So now you get to see her, the pretty lady, build an engine. Anyway, that's it. Now to the video.
1, 2, all love. 1, 2, all love. 1, 2, all love. I just got over you. It was overdue. I just got over you. It was overdue. I just got over you. It was overdue. Trying to withhold the truth. I was on to you.
Don't let this affect your day. Don't let me get in the way. Please don't let this affect your day. Don't let me get in the way.
I just got over you. It was overdue. Trying to withhold the truth. I was on to you.
Don't let this affect your day. Don't let me get in the way. Please don't let this affect your day. Don't let me get in the way.
Your way, 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 your way. 1, 2, all love. 1, 2, all love. 1, 2, all love.
I just got over you. It was overdue. I just got over you. It was overdue. I just got over you. It was overdue. Trying to withhold the truth. I was on to you.
Pull myself out of slump, not a lump, not a stain on my shirt, just pain in my shirt. And you can lose it all if you got too much to hide. They say before the fall comes pride, and you can throw it all away. I go wide, or we can surf them all today with low tide. You seek, you shall find. Walking down the yellow brick road with some heart, looking for a peace of mind. And I ain't gotta speak on that. I go deep on that, like 7 days a week on that. Don't test me, you know that I'ma cheat on that. Come on, baby, you know me. We go back, little engine that could, I got over you. Took a hit to my credit, it was overdue. I rode for you, now my train on track to the goals I was gon' pursue. You gotta feel me, speak clearly. Honesty is the policy of the weary. I don't think you hear me, I don't think you know that. Once I make it over that hill, I don't go back. I'm the little engine. What you want me to do? I had to re-up, I'm sorry. Now I'm on Garvey. Now I'm by Harley. I don't want a Rari. Big body, never had a hobby. Do this for the real, shout out to Miramari. When I was on my heels, everybody wanted to ride me. Now I'm on my feet, everybody saying sorry. You gon' have to buy me if you wanna try me. My house has a lobby, my bitches act snobby. And I be on track like a trolley. Obviously, I don't gamble, I don't even do probably. One time for me, one time for the haters. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be up on my paper. If it wasn't for you, wouldn't be up on my label. Let me tell you the truth, probably owe you a favor. Got a crown with the jewels, in a mountain to move, in a fountain to youth, in a pound to reduce. And you acting like you ain't acting like that ain't the move. Rapping like God ain't coming back, homie, I am the proof. Who, me? I'm a survivor. Bet against me, I'ma surprise you. Think you on top, but you just a visor. Real recognize real, and I don't recognize you. Matter of fact, I despise you, and I never replied you. If you ever come around, matter of fact, I'ma dodge you. And everything I do is unfair like bondage. I don't think she very smart, but she giving me knowledge, so shake it for me. Shake it for me. Drop it like it's hot till you melt. I be feeling like you, I be tired of myself. I'ma write a diss to me and reply to myself. Then I'ma take it from you. See why you hating on me? I'm just trying to fight for my belt. I'm about to hire some help. I'm about to fire my help. This ain't the right way to go. I need to find someone else. Stop.
Church, the mixtape.
Preach. 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 She say I'm a saint whenever I pass it to J. Let's go to the top, we taking the ladder today. The ladder today. You way too stressed, you need to get out and go play. You way too blessed, you need to get out of your way. Get out of your way. Keep doing the right things for the wrong reason. Dressing right but the wrong season.
Intentions won't get you too far, just enough to keep the phone ringing. Way too many things to do to be debating you about dumb shit. Way down but came up quick. I just know I overcome. Played myself like a few times. Learned a lesson, now it's new times. New rollie, that's new time. Did a Casanova, that's 2 times. Staying prayed up till I go. Ain't no church in the wild though. Never go without style, ho. Yeah, you fine, but you foul though. I just tell them.
Preach. 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 No liability, just possibility. Look, I just figure we listen for a second before we just go into now the imagery and all the synergy and all the chemistry. This ain't for the record, I just wanna tell it.
Man, hold up, man. Bring that back one more time, man.
No liability, just possibility. Look, I just figure we listen for a second before we just go into now the imagery and all the synergy and all the chemistry. This ain't for the record, I just wanna tell it. Preach. 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 Never seen a good man without a wife. Never seen a good thing without a fighter. Far away, I know where your energy be. Caught between do it yourself and your femininity. We say you should do less, you say we should listen more. Everybody don't live by them standards, we can't ignore the fact that you let us.
So, putting together that engine was very much an educational experience. In addition to eye-opening, I guess. I've seen it done a number of times. Mike's done that on our bed, putting together these engines, and the way that things are put together piece after piece just kind of stacks. You build from the bottom up, and it's just good to know, especially if you're ever racing one of these machines, that you know exactly kind of how things go together and what everything is doing, how everything works together. So why do you buy these reinforced parts? Well, that these are the ones that take the most wear and tear, and this is because this is where they are in the engine. So it's good to see all of that, which you can Google, you can see it online, but there's something different about putting it together and touching it with your own hands. So very good experience. Thank you to my husband for letting me and coaching me through it, along with the service manual.
1, 2, all love. 1, 2, all love.